Hello, I'm George Penzenik from G3 Agency. You were recently contacted by Oceana Share from our firm and agreed to receive our free, no-obligation website audit. During this brief audit, I'll show you 3 things you can do to increase traffic to your website, to get you more clients and drop money straight to your bottom line. At G3 Agency, we specialize in helping small business owners like yourself grow their business and be the #1 provider of services in their local area. So let's get started. So what are 3 things you can do to improve the quality of your website and drive more traffic to it? Number 1, increase content. The second thing that you can do is make sure that all of your phone numbers are click to call. And the third thing is to fix or remove broken social media links. So let's dive into each of these in a little more detail. I looked at your website, and while it does have some attractive graphics, there is very little there that explains what your company is about and the services you offer. We recommend that the home page should be at least 3,000 words of keyword-rich content. Tell folks your story. Tell them about your approach to how you work with clients. Use your own voice and write it like you're having a conversation with someone you just met who wants to know what your business is about. Now, if that sounds like a lot of content for you to create at one time, break it down into manageable pieces. Consider doing it in chunks of 250 words and add some new content once or twice a week. You'll be surprised at how much traffic will increase as you add each new piece of content. Phone numbers is click to call. According to Google, more than 68% of all searches on the internet today take place on a mobile device such as a cell phone or even a tablet. You want to make sure it's as easy as possible for people to connect with you when they find you on the website. One of the things that we always recommend is that wherever a phone number is displayed on your website, it's click to call. That way a mobile user can click on your phone number on your mobile website and be connected to you immediately. Lastly, none of the social media links on your website work. Broken links are bad in several ways. First, Google looks at broken links as a sign that the website is not being currently maintained. Secondly, like it or not, people get about 40% of the information they use to make a buying decision from social media. So don't give people an opportunity to click away from your website and possibly never return again. So in review, the first thing you can do to increase traffic to your website is to increase the content. As I mentioned before, we recommend at least 3,000 words of content on the home page of your website. If that seems like a daunting task, just break it down into small chunks. Post the new content once or twice a week, and you'll be surprised at the increase in traffic you will see as you add more content to the site. The second thing you can do is to change your static phone number as they are displayed on your web page to click to call. Google says that almost 70% of all searches today happen on mobile devices, and by making your phone number click to call when someone finds your website, all they have to do is click on the phone number as it's displayed on your website, and the phone will dial your number, making it easier for prospective clients to reach you. Finally, you need to fix or remove broken social media links. Bad links will have folks clicking away from your website, possibly never to return again. Well, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. It's been my pleasure to learn more about your business, and I hope you'll consider letting us help your business increase traffic to your digital marketing channels and help you take your business to the next level. I've put Oceana's contact information in this video. Please reach out to her if there's anything we can do to help you grow your business. So thank you again very much, and I hope you have a great day.